Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Yeah, let me first start by saying Happy New Year, guys. I haven't put out any video since the New Year start because I haven't been well. No. So I am back, getting back to my 100% health now. So there's a lot of reaction to get through. I haven't watched none of these videos because I said me now watch them, coming and react to them at some point. So Happy New Year's, guys. Big up. Thanks to Uno, we passed the 10K mark for 2022. Let's get to it to 20K for the 2023. Oh, that song. That sound good? Good. Alright, let's jump in this direction and see. This is Valiant Hall of Fame, by the way. Valiant is one of them. Valiant is the hottest dancehall artist right now coming out of Jamaica. So let's jump in this one and hear what the G has said. Let's go. This one's called Hall of Fame. Let's go.
Sing. Put my name in the Hall of Fame. Mommy house gone upstairs. Remember those hard look. Every minute.
I'm son that.
Sing for them.
Daddy love you here. I'm gonna do it for you.
Still I work hard and lose focus. Too big for them league. Put me in a World Cup.
You hear that? The man say him too big for them league. Put him in a World Cup. You know, say man in a corner league or in a Premier League. World Cup, the man thing there. World stage. Yes, sir.
And Valiant, you know, bad and bad.
Yo, that song, this song I'm saying about 100 mil and nothing for me jaw down. Make poor people, even if you're poor and you know you can't draw down 100 million, you know, say, yo, listen. That song, you vibe to it. You sing and you believe every word what you say. You see it?
Valiant, father, one diplomat. I think him have to win, and you know why I'm have to win? That man is an entertainer. That man not do it for the money. That man not do it for the love and fans them. Everybody run guard him, not get the time when him deserve, and the man go up on a car and I entertain him fans them. Big up yourself, one diplomat.
This is an after sting. Obviously, we know which we might see the clip card. That video seems like it filmed like probably a week running up to Sting or something like that, because this is after Sting she attack and it's in the video, so it's evident say them did a record for the video while them did their Sting. So let me see, let me carry on.
Catch it at the line. Is the replaceable.
This is not Sting, this is before Sting, I think.
Believe in yourself, believe you're gonna make it.
Yo, any stage show him touch him, wreck it. Like, right now I believe him there, Antigua, him a wreck it. Yeah, I'ma do it. The 3 and a 5.
Put me down like a Hall of Fame. Mommy house gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. No, my life's not changed. Put me name in the Hall of Fame.
Whether you like it or not, you have to put him name in the Hall of Fame. You know why? He is the first dancehall artist to have like five consecutive song like in the chart, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like him just take over the whole chart.
My life's not changed. Put me name in the Hall of Fame. Mommy house gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. Sleepless nights, fuck fears. Love get the product. Living out the streets, I'm in a show love. Just get the game and I'm in a small dog. Say them like the place, but them song give me boredom.
Say them like the place, but them song give me boredom. He's a true entertainer. He like him sound unique, different. But him have a Romy and Virgo singing voice. I said this before. And when him up on stage, him have like a Beanie Man stage presence where obviously him have a long way to go for master it fully on stage, but you can see him done do it already, dog. Like, you see me?
Change up my style, man, I have to chop every time. One diplomats, man, I have to change up my side. Even if we have vibes, you remember the time. One mackerel, we have to share. All of fame. Mommy was gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. Now my life's not changed. Mommy name another hall of fame. Mommy was gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. Sleepless nights, fuck fears. Every minute, me try to master my craft. Remember the past when people used to laugh. From catch me out, the world start dance and everybody love me.
Ah, from them catch him at. The world start listening, brother. From them say, yo, catch you at a lie and that go viral on TikTok. Big up TikTok. TikTok, the one that's with enough people. Not just artists alone, enough people. You see me get famous from TikTok. You see me not sure how my TikTok pay and thing, but I don't know. But TikTok bust enough people, put enough people to the world. And Valiant's been doing it for a long time because he might tell you, say, yo, him did a try master him craft and people used to laugh. No, they have to pay for see him because him present not free. You know? Yeah, man.
From catch me out, the world start dance and everybody love me. And still I wake and I lose focus.
Key. Don't lose focus.
Too big for them league, put me in a wake up. Me down at the hall of fame. Mommy was gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. Now my life's not changed. Put me name in the hall of fame.
Oh, see that? See the after sting party. So there was recording. This look like it's a drone footage, Joe. It's clean.
Mommy was gone upstairs. Remember those hard rough days. Sleepless nights, fuck fears.
I got do one thing. We not really lean on nobody again. If more I'll get to you to
And so we are doing one thing. We not lean on nobody again. Remember, saying you see in an unroll cam. We all know the issue with that. Now, me not get into that, but it's great to say him step out and be a man and dep on him own and do him thing and a master him craft at the same time. And the people them gravitate to him as we can see, like songs after songs, everything I hit. You see me?
I got do one thing. We not really lean on nobody again. If more I'll get to you to not for just focus on the thing. People only think I'll do the strength, not going to strength.
Real.
Believe in yourself. And more why people see your greatness and don't want you go past them. Is it?
Real.
Believe myself,
Sure.
believe you're gonna make it. Believe myself, believe you're gonna make it.
Get to you. It's believing on yourself, man.
Believe myself, believe you're gonna make it.
Yo, me pay for it, bro. Me pay for it.
You know what I'm saying? That's it, start. But the only artist ever do this. And Jones footage, man.
Next one. One more.
And a drone footage. My boy look at him right there in the camera. And a drone footage this. Like him sound like him the right behind the camera. Say one more. Like a him do the cameraman.
You good man. You didn't bother. More.
Sing black in a man.
See
One more buckler. That's how the man dealing sting, dog. Yo, the man texting all the body now. Yo. Forget the little fucker go and pass things to you, the two lady them. The two woman them. Yo. The man texting, brother. Am I here sang that? The Craft sang that, bro? Craft today. Yo, the man create history, bro. Put him in that bumbo cloth Hall of Fame, brother. Look what the man do that. Look how much people there say that. This is like a whole dance by itself, bro. Outside thing. They don't say anybody we are got them here, they go turn back, right? Anybody we are literally, we are drive out of the, and see what go on, them are going to stop and lock them car and come and forward this, so come see what go on, no? Respect me, G, man. Never after, but you did it.
What upon the screen? What upon the screen? Let me see the screen, let me see the screen.
I don't. When I ask that, I mean say don't. But me hear the artist say, yo, don't check me, I say, yo, the artist say, bad. When I ask that. But me hear you say, don't check me, say, bad. I mean say, don't spread that, man. Don't say that, them.
Don't serve.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's
King
a shoot
Cam
good,
at it
brother.
again. Big up yourself, King Cam, G.
See you free.
Big up yourself, King Cam. I always give you credit, bro. I always give you credit, me G. Because you deserve it, fam. You put in the work with a lot of artists. Yo, Valiant deserve all of the glory we get, bro. Like, Valiant is just Valiant, bro. Like, for him do that outside thing, and actually the crowd there, you know the people them love him because says like come on, people want got them yard. People know business what you want to say, but for the say people stop and I give him the support there and the love there. Yeah, you have it, my G. You have it. There's not much more to say about in this reaction, so I'm gonna leave it right there. So first one for the year, you know, say we're here, you're here. All right, I'll see you in the next one for definite. Peace.